Say hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Are you cute? No, Mommy's not going to pick you up right now. Go play with Daddy and Aunt Bridgie. I got a seat.
Emily,
This is why I can't video.
can you give Daddy a hug? Give Daddy a hug. Good job.
Her socks that are way too big. Can you give Aunt Bridgie a hug?
Can you give me a hug? I got you. Good job.
Can Mommy have one? Oh, thank you. Can you give Daddy a kiss? Can you give Aunt Bridgie a kiss? Can you say Mimi?
Me.
Come here.
Hey, come here.
Where are you going?
Can you say Poppy?
She's gonna touch that. Emily?